Kingdom Plumbing provides expert water softener installation in Las Vegas, Nevada, helping homeowners reduce hard water problems, protect plumbing systems, and enjoy cleaner, softer water daily. Our experienced team installs high-performance water softeners designed to reduce mineral buildup, extend appliance lifespan, and enhance everyday comfort. Count on us for reliable service, expert recommendations, and efficient installations that provide long-term value and peace of mind. Call us today to schedule an appointment and start enjoying the benefits of soft water in your home. Are you looking for a water softener installation near me? You can stop looking. You found Kingdom Plumbing. What are the benefits of installing a water softener? Installing a water softener reduces hard water minerals, prevents scale buildup, protects plumbing, extends appliance lifespan, improves cleaning efficiency, softens skin and hair, and helps lower maintenance and energy costs. How does a water softener work? A water softener uses ion exchange technology to remove calcium and magnesium minerals from hard water. The system replaces these minerals with sodium or potassium, providing softer, cleaner water throughout homes. What is the service area for your Las Vegas, Nevada location? Our water softener installation services have helped customers in the surrounding areas of Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Winchester, Downtown South, Summerlin, Henderson, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, and Pahrump, Nevada. Where are your Las Vegas, Nevada water softener install offices located? We are located at 8311 Farm Road, Suite B, Las Vegas, Nevada 89131. Our phone number is 725-900-4591. Visit our website, www.kingdomplumbing.com.